This here is the Friedland Avenue, which by itself is nothing special, but it is one of the 13 avenues that leads to this little treasure. One of the Parisian most famous landmark, Arc de Triomphe. There you go, in all its glory. And the frenetic traffic, as I said, 13 avenues go in and out here. So, and it's on this roundabout, the cars that goes in have the priority over the car inside. So it's always hectic like this. And on this side we have the Champs Elysees. The French say la plus belle avenue du monde, the most beautiful avenue in the world. Some may debate that that's true, but it is beautiful, that's sure. This is Swarovski. I'm gonna do just a quick tour of the Champs Elysees. The Boss Boutique over there. You're gonna see many big brands here. They are the ones that can afford to pay the rent. It's the most expensive, second most expensive avenue in the world, after the Fifth Avenue in New York. You're not gonna see many real Parisians here. They don't come to shop or to eat here. Just in case if they live here, of course they're gonna come, but usually no. People from other parts of Paris don't come here because usually it's packed with tourists and it's really overpriced. Nevertheless, it's still very beautiful. Let me go to the other side. I have a red light, excellent. So yeah, this is Champs Elysees. Oh, it's so unusual to be able to walk here freely. Normally you're gonna bump into other people, mostly tourists, all the time and screaming sorry, please let me pass. But this time you can rent the car, rent it just to take a photo in it, or for I think it's a 20 minutes tour, but it's really expensive for the 20 minute tour. You can buy some souvenirs. Nike shop. Restaurant Le Deauville. Terrace. Now I'm not gonna say the food here is bad. I don't mean just of the ville, but all over the Champs Elysees. It's a good food, but overpriced. Just like Lovray. I mean, beautiful inside. It's really beautiful. And they do have excellent macarons. That's what they're famous for. Here they are. Actually, here they are. They are beautiful. They came in a beautiful box, so it's a good gift to someone. But they are really overpriced. So if you're gonna take them to someone in your country as a gift, yeah, come and buy them here. But if you're gonna eat them yourself, you can find much cheaper and say the same or maybe the best quality in some little boulangerie patisserie just around the corner. So like everything, the cafe and the coffees are really expensive here. It's understandable. At one point they have to pay their expensive rents, but at the other point, if you want to eat good for a fair price, don't do it here or near any landmark actually. That's just for tourists and to get money from tourists. So if you want to avoid that, just go like 10 minutes in any direction, here left or right, and as you're out from the touristic area, you find a restaurant with same and even better food for a much affordable and fair price. Here's the Renault showroom. There was a Mercedes one on the other side of the street, but Mercedes are not French. Renault is French. Formula. Five Guys. You've probably heard of them. Excellent burgers and fries and milkshakes as well, but also a bit overpriced. It's more people here than up the street, but really nothing compared to normal. So I guess this is the new normal. And if it is, I'm up to it. I like it. I may come here more often if it's gonna be like this all the time. I'm sure all the shop and the restaurant owners will not agree with me. For them it's a loss. But for me it's a win. It's much more enjoyable like this when you don't have to bump in other people all the time. Paris Saint-Germain shop. Official products. The city's most successful team, the country's most successful team these days. We played the Champions League finals a couple of weeks ago. They lost to Bayern Munich. And with this Abercrombie and Fitch store, we end the shopping part of the street. That's beautiful. That's a beautiful alley that leads to the store. So as I said, this is the end of the shopping part of the street. Now it's just the walking part, the green part of the street. So let's go check it out. You can see the colors of the trees changing from summer to fall. We're gonna go there today maybe. That's more like it. It's hard to say, it's a safe street. Just a couple of dozen meters away. This paradise. Normally during Christmas time, there's a Christmas market here. We didn't have it 2 or 3 years in a row. We didn't have it. I'm sure we're going to have it this year. This year is going to be due to COVID-19 and all those years back. This year because of the possible terrorist attacks. So, because of this tiny virus and some idiots who think they have the right to kill other people in the name of who knows what. We can have nice things here in Paris. Isn't it much nicer than all those shops and restaurants? The Grand Palais. Here's what you can see at the moment. Petit Palais. Expositions. Concerts from time to time as well. And then the other side, the Petit Palais. The Grand Palais, this side is the Grand Big Palace. And on the other side, the Petit Palais, or the small palace. The Invalids place with the Napoleon body over there. This is his grave. So this is the small palace. And the Invalids is going to be for another day. I'm going in the opposite direction today. Big palace from this side. Palais. Once more, the magnificent Champs Elysees. And it goes up to the Place de la Concorde just over there. I'm not gonna do it now by foot, because I saw the bike stand here, and this is a channel called Paris by Bike. My knee feels a little better, so I'm gonna take one of these bikes and go to the Louvre, and I'm gonna show you the Louvre Museum and the park next to it. By bike. So my next video is going to be by bike finally. See you.